Hello, my sixth graders. How are you today? Are you happy? Are you so? Or are you bad? Okay, today we are going to start our new unit that is called Food and Health. And I know that you know a lot of that vocabulary, but we are going to begin remembering, going back, and try to bring up today the vocabulary that you know. So let's begin.
Hello again. Remember that our topic today is food. And what is the task for today? Our goal or objective is to apply vocabulary about food in a conversation. So let's begin. I know that you know a lot of vocabulary, but today we are going to remember some previous vocabulary that we already know. Let's start. It's pasta. It's pasta. Yes, listen and repeat. It's vegetable. It's vegetable. It's rice. It's rice. Perfect. It's bread. It's bread. Eggs. Eggs. Fruits. Fruits. Perfect. Now we have a sandwich. It's a sandwich. Hamburger. It's an hamburger. Juice. It's juice. It's soda. It's soda. It's milk. It's milk. It's ice cream. It's ice cream. Finally, we have water. Water. Pizza. It's pizza. It's a salad. It's a salad. It's a chicken. It's a chicken. Okay, so we remember some vocabulary. Maybe you are learning new vocabulary. And now, how to use it? That is the question today. How to use the food vocabulary in a conversation. So, let's think that we are, of course, in a restaurant and we need to ask for some food to eat. The question that the waiter asks us is, what would you like to eat? What would you like to eat? And we should answer, I'd like rice, for example, or I'd like pasta and juice, or I'd like ice cream and hamburger, or I'd like fruits. Maybe you can say, I like water. So that's the form, that's the way we use the vocabulary. Now, let's situate that we are in a restaurant. We are going to observe a video. Please pay attention, listen carefully what they are talking about. Ordering food in a restaurant. How to make that, how to do it. Listen and read.
Hi, may I take your order?
Yes, I'd like a pizza and spaghetti.
Anything else?
A green salad, please.
A pizza, spaghetti, and a green salad, right?
Yes, that's right. Oh, it's too hot. Do you want some water? Yes, please.
Perfect. So we had a mom and her son, and they were talking about food. They decided to ask for spaghetti, pizza, and
A green salad.
so it's time to practice the same conversation, but now by yourself. What you have to do? What do you have to do? It's to read the conversation and try to say the words. So let's begin. It's the same dialogue. Let's role play. Hi, may I take your order? Yes, I'd like a pizza and spaghetti. Anything else? A green salad, please. Now your turn. And a green salad, good job, right? Yes, that's right. Oh, it's too hot. Do you want some water? Yes, please. Perfect. So you can improve your English practicing this dialogue. So I invite you to practice once, twice, 3 times, the times that you want. Now, I'm going to check if you learned or not the vocabulary. So this is a guessing game. What does it mean, guessing game? You're going to observe one picture and you have to tell me which is the correct name. Okay, so we have one picture and two options. You should tell me which one is the name. Go on. Ah, I know that. What is that? It's an hamburger or it's a sandwich? Tell me. It's a sandwich. Perfect. Next. It's water or it's soda? Let's think. Let's think. It's water. Good job. Next. Oh, what is it? What is it? Is pasta or is a salad? Good. It's a salad. Perfect. You are so smart. What is that? It's rice or it's chicken? It's chicken. Good. What do we have next? Vegetables or fruits? Vegetables. Perfect. Fantastic. You are so smart. And that's all the class for today. But we have a homework. I'm going to explain you what do you have to do at home. We have two activities to complete. The first one is complete a conversation using the words, and the second activity is to listen and choose the correct alternative. Let's go into the first activity. We have read and complete the information using the words below. We have delicious, hello, would you like to eat pasta and pizza, or I'd like to eat. And we have a dialogue. Jensen and Susan, they are talking about food. Jensen, what is missing here? Susan, how are you today? Hi, Jensen, I am very hungry, so I should look for the words that are in here. What is missing in the beginning? At the beginning. Well, I am hungry too. What? We need a question. And we have an answer, a green salad. What about you? I like to eat and we need some food and drink water. Susan, it's a good choice. So we have to complete using the words that are in here. The second activity, it's a listening. Remember that we have the listening here. We should listen a conversation and choose the correct alternative. We have 3 questions. 1, 2, and in this next slide we have the last question. Who are the people speaking? Arturo, Susan, or Christian? Arturo, Julie, and Susan.
Okay, remember that it's time for the homework. And what we have in the homework, we have 2 activities. In the first one, we should complete a conversation using a words that appears in the slides. And in the second activity, we should listen to a conversation and complete a dialogue. Okay? Remember, if you have any doubt, you can text me on WhatsApp. I'm going to, of course, help you if you need. So, goodbye, my 6th graders. Bye bye.